Hey guys, welcome to a bright new day. Hope you all are doing well. So today's vlog is a morning routine. So what I packed for my kids' lunchbox is what I'll be showing in this video. So the menu is very simple. It's going to be a vegetable pulav along with that some bread toast. That is what I packed for their lunchbox. So here I've taken around 2 cups of long green basmati rice, which I'm going to wash and I will soak it for around 10 minutes. So that's good enough. Meanwhile, I just made some tea. I had chopped the veggies and I placed it in the freezer. So as many of you all know, I prep everything the day before so that it's easy for me the next day. And this is the masala mix for the pulav. So adding some tablespoons of oil to the cooker. For the masala, I've added some coriander leaf, mint leaf, cashews, a little bit of fennel seeds, ginger garlic, everything put together. Just blend and keep it aside. So that serves as a masala for the pulav. So here I've chopped veggies like potato, carrot, a little bit of capsicum, and I've just added to the cooker. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Mama.
So this mix is really flavorful. It gives you a very good taste for your pulav. And since it's ground into paste, so children will enjoy it as well. And I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of curd to it. Combine everything well. And for 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. So here I've taken 2 cups of rice. So 4 cups of water I've added. Little bit of salt, and for a mild tangy flavor I've just added some few drops of lemon juice to it. Bring to a boil and add the soaked rice. Mix well, lower the flame and start cooking the rice. So 1 whistle and our pulav is ready. On an empty stomach, drinking cinnamon water is really good for health. It helps in digestion, so give it a try. Just boil the water, add cinnamon stick and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes and it's done. So here our pulav is also done. It's perfectly cooked well. And also for the morning break, I just made some bread toast for them. So whisked 1 egg along with some milk, sugar and vanilla essence. So adding vanilla essence to the bread toast gives a very good flavor. You can also substitute it with cinnamon also. That also gives a very good flavor. So everything is done for the lunchbox. Here I've also packed some yogurt to give a side for the pulav. So this is the lunch box which I packed for them. Some bread toast, biscuits, pulav and yogurt. I'm just adding some ghee on top of the pulav to get another good flavor for it. So yeah, we are done for the day.
Hi.
Let's go.
Yes.
Come. Hope you like the simple pulav recipe and this video as well. So thank you so much for watching and see you soon in another video.